hi and welcome again to my channel. This is basically a FAQ video, that is frequently asked question in my career, or people who are coming in my career usually ask these questions. So starting off very simple, what is BSc Nursing? BSc Nursing is a 4th-year undergraduate professional course that trains students in patient care, medical procedures, clinical postings, community health. What is the duration of BSc Nursing course? It is basically 4 years, including academic study and clinical training. Next is, what is the difference between BSc Nursing and GNM? So this is the most asked question. So basically, BSc Nursing is a degree course of 4 years, and GNM, that is General Nursing and Midwifery, is a diploma course of 3 years. So BSc Nursing usually offers better career opportunities in higher studies. I just said what it is. The next question, this is also mostly asked question: can boys pursue this course? Yes, boys can pursue this course, but in private colleges, because till now government colleges are not yet available in West Bengal for boys to pursue this course. The next question is, what subjects are included in BSc Nursing? Interesting. It is anatomy, physiology, psychology, sociology, med-surg, pharmacology, pathology, mental health nursing, adult health nursing, and a lot more. You have to write thesis too. Hold your horses. Is internship compulsory in BSc Nursing? Yes, clinical postings and internship are compulsory for practical experience with a attendance of 100% in clinical duties and theory 80%. Keep it in mind. So eligibility. Basically, you have to be 10 and 12 pass with a 75% aggregate in science with biology. It can be any stream, that is physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, or physics, chemistry, biology, maths. It can be anything, but you should have biology and you should pass with a 75% aggregate. And you have to give an entrance exam, that is GenPass UG, which I have given. I'm presently studying in Government College of Nursing, District Hospital, Howrah. So is NEET required for BSc Nursing? Some colleges accept NEET while others conduct a separate entrance exam like GenPass UG. Can arts or commerce students apply for BSc Nursing? Unfortunately, no. Students in science fields, our background, and who have biology can apply for this. So as I've talked about GenPass UG and the entrance exam I gave to presently stand in this situation. So what is GenPass UG? So GenPass UG is an entrance examination conducted for admission into nursing and paramedical courses in West Bengal. So who conducts this GenPass UG? It is conducted by the West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board, or WBJEE. What courses come under GenPass UG? It is BSc Nursing, GNM Nursing, paramedical courses like BMLT. So thanks for watching. Follow for more, and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Bye bye.